guys, Olivia back with another video, and today I'll be showing you guys what I got from the mall. So make sure you like this video, subscribe, comment down below other video suggestions, and yeah, without further ado, let's get on into the video. Okay, so I got this chocolate that says love you forever, then a dog. I got 3 glues to make some slime with in another video that I'm making today. I got some lollipops, tastes good. And then I got some gum. I want some right now. That's a big mouth. My gum tastes like shampoo. Anyways, I got 2 of these surprise bags. 2 for $5. That's pretty cheap. And then I got 5 pieces in each one. So, let's open it up. I found out how to open it. Okay, it's open. Oh, I got this thing. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a little slipper thing. It's a thing. We got 1 sock. Some hair things. Ooh, pretty. And then this. And then I could also add on these things to them. Make it really nice. Oh, I got another sock. And look at a little thing. And then that's all in that one. On to the next one. So happy. We got 1 of these, oh, there's 2 of them. 2 of them. Oh, I got earrings, but I don't have earrings. One is missing. I got 2 socks here. That's got flowers, popsicle, and it says yay. Oh, cool. I got this hair thing, but I have short hair, so I'll just put it like. So pretty. It's got pink at the bottom and then that on top. Oh. Cool. Ah! I found the other earring. Fell off. At this right here. Boop! And then the back right here. Just go like boop! Oh yeah! Thanks so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe, hit that bell notification so you do not miss out on any of my videos. Comment down other video suggestions, and yeah. Bye! These double lollipops, and they're like, blah! Look how cute it is! These are super tiny. How am I was gonna make 3 slimes, but then